that's how you customize your breadcrumbs right there. PG mixed into the breadcrumbs. Pecorino Romano.
Mmm.
Shake it up.
Then I had a clip from J-Love.
Action. All
All
right. Yeah. What do you got going on over here? What are we doing?
Find the grain here. We're gonna cut across it.
All right.
Okay. Get some thin ones.
They're better.
Okay. And we're gonna start pressing it out like this.
Ah, look at that technique.
Flattens out.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Instead of taking a big hammer to it, like
Right.
most people do. That's crazy how quick it flies.
I'm like mad.
It's crazy. Wait a minute.
And he makes it
We've
look
been all
that
my
easy. Yeah, seriously.
I'm just gonna need you to do that.
Yeah. That's all we had at the pit today. Yeah, there we go. We work with what we have.
Look at that. Perfect looking cutlets there.
All right, so he does a little tenderizing here, but then the key is you get it into the egg wash first, and then once you get it into the breadcrumbs, then you actually, that's where you do a lot more of the tenderizing with the fork. It just kind of gets it all in there. Oh, this is so easy.
Right.
Looking hard over here.
You'll feel it like break, and then it's like starts to spread up.
A little breadcrumb mixture.
Good tenderizing.
Please stay.
Yeah, he did that in the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought he was crazy at first, and then he did the whole technique, and I was like, oh,
Yeah, that's the thing.
okay, I get it now.
People think you cut across, but you don't cut across. You cut. I mean, you don't cut against it.
Yeah. I would have been like lengthwise, like with the fat part of the chicken, you know.
Yeah.
And nope,
A little different.
that's not the way to do it.
That's the technique. Oh, beauty.
Yeah, definitely.
We've had the paper towels on, we had the meat on it before.
Paper towel and you need a plate.
Yep. These cook real nice and fast. They're tenderized, they're thin cut.
Instead, or you got it?
Yeah, tongs would be too easy. But we do have some if you want some, but nah. Horse doesn't need them.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at those. Look at the color on those. Perfect.
Yeah. Plate should be over there someplace, but all that there was.
Oh yeah.
Perfect
Oh,
chicken
those are
cutlet.
great.
Oh my gosh.
I usually use XTP with not RXTP.
We're forgiven.
Oh yeah. That's great.
You like golden brown delicious, man.
That's
what
it.
you-
GBD.
GBD.
I got a half a pint made to go at the house. I put the new STG that was put there. Bunch here. Biggest like. I put it in the coffee grinder.
You can get a hammer, it probably works better. So
Yeah.
I think that's a good pork.
No. Listen.
You ever had beef cutlet?
Yeah. I never made them.
Some people were. Yeah, somebody was talking about it at Elm Hill the other day there. I wonder what they use.
That's all I've been doing.
Get the buns ready. It's actually a good size bun. Perfect size.
Sliced mozzarella.
All right, do some moots. Slice that moose up, buddy. All right. Oh, look at those. Look at those. So good. We did a test bite of one of these and it's just unreal. Tender. Great flavor. Right.
Went right through.
And we're gonna do some roasted
They don't know where
red
they
bell
are when-
peppers.
You know, she got finally knocked it
Yeah,
out and it fell
this will
out.
be good.
Oh, it goes fine.
There we go. Okay. A little bit more whoops. Slice of whoops. Okay. Using the griddle for an oven today. Use what you have, right? Melt down that cheese. All right. Got some sauce ready as well. Good looking. All right. Oh yeah. There you go. It's getting there. The cheese is melting. Saw the sauce over there too. All right. Okay. How's this going? How's this looking?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that melt. Oh.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
It's gotta be. Woohoo.
Good thing I have that.
Go.
Yeah.
There it is. Yep.
Okay. Come on.
Another taste.
Little sauce.
Mm.
Use your favorite
Oh, look at
marinara.
that. Favorite marinara. Make your own, whatever.
So what are we calling this sandwich?
Pit parm.
Pit Parm.
Pit Parm?
Pit Parm, baby.
I like it.
Good name.
Pit Parm.
The Parmesan, incredibly tender chicken breast. Unbelievable.
Oh jeez. Look at that. Big enough piece here.
We're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha.
Yeah, you still got more of that parm?
Oh, you take a sprinkle that around top. Let's take a picture of this. Anybody want to take a picture of that?
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Oh. Come on now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Great job.
It's got to put sauce on it too. And
Good.
cheese.
Little sauce and cheese.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do it like this. And then like this.
Not bad. I need salt.
Amazing. Get a parm on there.
All right.
I think your parm adds your salt there that you're looking for, though, too, you
Does
know?
get a little saltiness to it.
All right.
No, not many salt like that.
Whoa.
That is amazing.
Oh, my God.
Perfect.
This blows the local Italian
pit
spot out of the water.
That is delicious.
You hear that, Chris?
Oh yeah.
What's that? Sponge.
Can't have a video with without a slasher biting scene. Here we go.
Pit parm.
Pit parm.
Put parm. This is a good one, man. Nice job.
Oh wow.
Horse.
The horse.
The horse.
The horse does it again.
Camera guy, come in here, grab a
Oh
sandwich.
yeah.
You can only feed you scraps and leftovers.
Okay, here we go.
So, here we go.
Yes, I've been eyeing this piece for a long time.
gonna say.
Look at this, really good.
That's a money one.
This is right out of an Italian deli in like Brooklyn, New York. Oh my God, that's fantastic. It's that good.
That's good.
Oh cow.
Beautiful. Thank you, Chef. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.